Best Trident enchantments in Minecraft. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys some of the best Trident enchantments in Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first one is loyalty. Probably one of the coolest enchantments in Minecraft. Loyalty is the Trident exclusive enchantments. As the name suggests, it will make your trident loyal so that it comes back to you after each throw. If you ever wanted to feel like a Greek god or the Avenger, Thor, this is the way to do it. You can apply this using an enchanted book as well as the enchanting table. The speed of the trident return depends upon the level of your enchantment. It has the maximum of 3 levels you can upgrade to. As for the limitations, your trident will get damaged when thrown into lava and won't return from the void, Java exclusive. And in the unfortunate case you die before it returns, you can find it in the same location as your death. Now the second one is channeling. Continue to the same theme of the Greek god Thor. Our next trident enhancement lets you produce lightning in the game, but don't confuse it with an electricity based attack. When used, this enhancement channels lightning from the sky. It only has one level, but it's more than enough to make it one of the most powerful enchantments in Minecraft. You can apply this enchantment using an enchanted book as well as the enchanting table in Minecraft. But to keep the game fair for everyone, this enchantment only works if the attacked mob is under an open sky. That means you can't use the trident with this enchantment underground or in other dimensions. Moreover, if you want to use this with a thrown trident, it must be during a thunderstorm. As for the benefits of this enchantment, trident's lightning can do more than just damage. Now, last but not the least, impaling. As the name suggests, this is one of the best trident enchantments if you want to cause extra damage to the mobs. With an upper limit of 5 levels, impaling is one of the most dangerous in-game enchantments. You can apply it using an enchanted book or an enchanting table. Each level of this enchantment adds an additional 2.5 hurt worth of damage to the trident. At its maximum level, another player can easily kill you with a single hit, but to keep it from being overpowered, at least in Java edition, the extra damage only applies to aquatic Minecraft mobs. Meanwhile, in Bedrock edition, you can use it on any mob as long as they are in contact with water. And yes, even rain counts as contact with water in Minecraft. So these were some of the best trident enchantments in Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.